So we're going to be expanding x plus 4 and x plus 2. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to rewrite the question. So I'm going to write x plus 4, x plus 2. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to multiply the first term in the first brackets with the first term in the second bracket, which is going to be x times x. So I'll do that. X times x is x squared. So I'll write that down here. X times x is x squared. The second thing we're going to do is, we're still on x, we're going to do x times, we're going to be doing x times 2. So the first value in the first term by the second value in the second term. So we know x times 2 is 2x. So I'll write that down. X times 2 is 2x. 2x. Then what we're going to do is we're going to move on to the second term. So we're going to times the second term in the first brackets by the first term in the second. So what we're going to do is 4 times x, which we know 4 times x is 4x. Simply write that down. 4 times x is 4x. And then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to times 4 by the second term in the second bracket. So it's going to be 4 times 2, which we know is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. And now we're simply going to write this as the proper equation. So we can put equals x squared plus 2x plus 4x plus 8. Now this equation can be simplified. As you can see, we've got 2x and 4x. So we can turn that 2x plus 4x is 6x. Simple. And then we just move the x squared downwards and the 8 downwards. So it's going to be x squared plus 6x plus 8. And that's your answer.